All right, let's debunk this silent treatment once and for all because I feel there's way too much confusion here. So, are you being given the silent treatment or do you think this is healthy silence? You know what's the difference? Sometimes you don't know if you're being given space, being punished, or if the relationship is actually over. Here is how you can tell the difference between the three types of silences. First one, healthy silence feels safe and it's temporary. It sounds like I need a little time to process. I'll come back when I'm calmer. Or you'll know that there is reassurance in the lines, there is clarity, there is respect for the relationship. You know that they're going to be coming back. Silent treatment feels like punishment and control. There is no explanation given to you. You don't know what went wrong, and you're left guessing, apologizing, shrinking. The distance creates discomfort and not safety. They keep you in a limbo intentionally. But then there's a third type, the final silence. This is when someone has completely withdrawn because for them, the relationship is over. No fight, no drama. They've just said, I'm done. They've made their decision and they're not coming back to discuss it with you. Here is how to recognize the final silence. There is no anger, no explanation, no breadcrumbing. They've removed themselves completely from your life. Calls go unanswered, messages stay on read or get no response at all. There is a quality of permanence that you can feel. The difference? Healthy silence communicates a timeline. Silent treatment keeps you confused on purpose. And final silence communicates through complete absence. They've already grieved or they're grieving and they've moved on, often without telling you. If someone has gone completely silent with no explanation, ask yourself, have they shown up anywhere else in my life recently? Have they responded to anything at all? Is there any indication that they want to repair this? If the answer is no to any of these questions, you might be experiencing the final silence. And as painful as it is, that absolute absence is actually their answer. The relationship has ended in their mind, even if they didn't have the courage to say it directly. Your closure doesn't require their participation now. Sometimes silence isn't manipulation, or it can also not be a healthy space. Sometimes it's just the end, and recognizing that can actually free you to move forward. And if you want to learn more about communication, patterns, and emotional intelligence in relationships, it's now time for you to do the workshop.